Hello and welcome to the KPM UCAL4 training course. This short video is going to show you how to set up your installation of UCAL4 so that you can follow along with this course very simply. When you open up UCAL4, it initially looks like this. So the project manager has no projects, no files inside of it. If you've been using UCAL4 for a while, you might have projects, you might have files in there existing. If this is the case, you should not proceed with the instructions I'm about to show you because it will overwrite your projects and overwrite your files, okay? So this is only for people that have brand new installations, okay? So we've got nothing in here. We're gonna close down UCAL4, and if you look at the Academy, at the bottom of the Academy, you've got these files. So the first one is a zip file with all of the projects and exercise files that you need to follow along the course. There are 2 Excel files that were also used in the various exercises. And then there's a PDF that has all of the different UCAL4 exercises. If you want to print them out and have a hard copy to follow along with the class, with the course, you can go ahead and download that. So what I would like you to do is to go in and click on one of these files. It will offer to download the files. And I will show you where to put this file. This first file is a zip file, and it goes into a very specific directory inside of your Windows standard file hierarchy. So this is the path that you will follow, okay? It's going to be under users, then your username. In this case, it's B. Shu for Bob Schumann. App data. If your app data folder is not visible, go in and in your file explorer, make sure that you are viewing hidden file folders because app data is a hidden file folder by default. So username, app data, roaming, Unity Scientific, UCAL data, and then backup, okay? And then you want to go in and save this file, but remove that first file header that I have highlighted here. So it just should look like a date timestamp with the file format. So if you delete that, you can see that we've got a month, day, year, hour, minute, second format. So your file name should be exactly like this, 11-11-2019-09-02-52. You can see the folder we're saving it in and go ahead and press save, okay? For these file formats, you can save it to any directory for these files here, the 2 Excel files in your PDF. I would recommend just drop them to your desktop, or if you've got another working folder for UCAL4, you can place them there. Okay. So we've got those files downloaded. You can see that I've got my couple of exercise files here. If I launch UCAL4 now, you can see that the project manager opens this way. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and restore the from the zip file from the archive that we just downloaded. So if we press the restore button here, you can see that the archives are listed. This is the archive, the 2019-11-11, 9 hours, 2 minutes, 52 seconds. That's the one that we had. If we press restore, it's going to say, after restoring all the data, all of your existing data will be lost. So again, if you've got any existing projects or files in UCAL4, they will be lost. Continue restoring data. We will say yes. All files will be closed. There are no open files. So the data are restored. And presto, we've got these groups. We've got subgroups. And underneath some subgroups, we've got our exercise files. This setup will allow you to follow the various exercises directly from within UCal. So this was a quick intro to setting up UCal, and please proceed into the lessons and then the exercises for UCal 4 calibration course. Thank you.